Dow Jones was 104. Now it is 237. It means it's so it doubled. But understand in how many years it doubled. From 1.4 to 237. So how many years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 years. If you put $10,000, you get $20,000 in after 11 or 12 years. But is this what you are looking for? Can you wait 12 years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, 12 years. Are you going to stay 12 years to get your money doubled? For me, it's not a way to make money. Okay? It's not a way to make money. If you take any other stock, in a few days you can double your money, or in a few weeks or a few months. But this is 12 years. Now, why, in your opinion? So this is just a question to always ask. Ask always about performance. Performance is a very, very important thing. That's why I told you before from the beginning when I began to explain stocks. I told you stocks, you can choose fastest stocks in the market. Stocks that go fast. Now I will give you an example, okay? Tesla, for example. Just to give you an example about Tesla. So here we speak about 12 years, okay, in Dow Jones. So in 12 years, how much money you make if you bought Tesla? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 years. The stock was $26. Now it is $720. So you will be getting $290,000 from your 10,000. Do you see the difference that I'm speaking about? Are you going to buy an ETF after I've explained to you this? Do you see the difference? Okay? I think with this explanation, you will never think about, and they say to you, oh, stay safe. Okay, stay safe. Just buy an index and sleep because it will do good for you. Now, ETFs and mutual funds, which is worse, you will be losing more money. You are not getting the market money because some of your money has already gone to Wall Street guys. And I have always spoken about Wall Street guys. It is those who own ETFs, own mutual funds. Your money from 20,000, instead of making $290,000, okay, from 10,000 in 12 years, from Tesla, you put only 10,000 12 years ago. It means in the 2008, the crash of 2008, you see Tesla, you have $10,000, you throw it there. Now you have $290,000. It's the same. You have 10,000, you put it in Dow Jones, which is 30 stocks, and you find that now you have 20,000. So are you going to buy a stock or are you going to buy an ETF? This, in terms of investing and in trading, it's the same thing. Okay? So this is just by numbers. This is just an example of how ETFs sometimes are not a good choice. But in general, Dow Jones is so big. But you can check some other ETFs that are faster than Dow Jones, and this you can find them in sectors. Sometimes some sectors are doing better than Dow Jones. You can make more money than in stocks. Okay, more money in other ETFs. And guys, I always showed it to you. I always show to you how things work about these ETFs. Okay, so I think now I will just continue explaining one thing, that in general, if you are doing swing trading, you can follow ETFs like you follow stocks. Okay, so because ETFs, they do the same, sometimes the same as stocks in some ways, but some stocks are doing better. So in order to explain this, let me explain to you this thing. Okay, so let's take this from your way. So just to show you something. So let's say this is Dow Jones here. It stops. It goes down. It stops. And then we are here. This is the Dow Jones. This is the resistance line. This is the support line. As you can see, always I do the same. Support line where the stocks have been stopped, and the resistance line where the stocks has stopped going up. Okay, these are virtual lines. We put them just to see clear where the stocks are going. Now, in ETFs, this is the DIA, which is Dow Jones. Okay, this is Dow Jones. Understand that there are some ETFs sectors are better. Some are here are better. You can find others that are here less, or some are less here. So it's better for you not to buy the big indexes. Now, what's the reason? Because they are very, very slow. Instead, if you are going to buy ETFs, you can buy those ETFs that are sectors or industries. Sectors or industries. It means they are doing better than the market. I have explained to you this last time, but I will explain to you right now. Okay? So, excuse me, I was explaining without showing you. So I will do this again. So I said to you, let's say this is the Dow Jones here. It was going up, then it go down, then it go up. This is the Dow Jones. It's here. So this is here. Now the sectors and industries, some of them are here. You see that? Here. It means they are doing better. It means if you buy an ETF that is a sector or industry, you will be making money more than the Dow Jones. Let's say Dow Jones, now you have made 15%. Let's say you have bought DIA, which is Dow Jones ETF. But if you bought other, you can make here 20, you can make here 35, or you can find ETF that you make 50%. All depends on these sectors and industries. But sometimes, if you don't know how to search, you will find that there is another sector or industry that you make only 10%, 5%, and then here you see that you lost 10% or you lose 20%. Depends on the sector that you are in. So the sectors are not the same. So here, in terms of the performance, they are not the same. Okay? They are not the same. So it's always you should see the performance. So let's go back. Let's go back to our thing. I see here that the chat, it says unable to connect to the chat. So please, guys, write something. I see if the chat is not working. If it is not working, I will be making a refresh of the page, and you might, because you might write something. Because here I see it says unable to connect to chat. Please try again later. So I'm continuing to explain, and then when I want your questions, I want to refresh this, and we will see. Okay, I don't know today what did happen, but I see something wrong with this chat room. So right now, I just before I stop this this explanation, I will just show you ETFs. So to find the ETFs is very easy. You go here on the top left, you put ETFs here, click that. All these that what you see are called ETFs. All these. There are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. So it's a lot. It's a lot. Okay? It's a lot. And if you want to, we have also Canadian stocks, Canadian ETFs. I don't have other ETFs that are not from other countries. I have only Canadian and American stocks and ETFs. Okay? And then you find the industries and here the sectors and industries. And then when we finish with that, you find ETFs. And if you are searching, you can go online on Google. You can find all these kind of ETFs. If you want to search from here, for example, you want, let's say you want technology ETF. You just write technology ETF. Okay, so write technology is better. So you will find all these. Okay, so beginning from here, you begin to find the First Trust Water Index Fund ETFs. You will find all this kind of ETFs. There are a lot of ETFs. You can go online on Google and you search whatever ETFs you want. There is, I think, ETF.com or something like that. Let's see here. Okay, so let's see. Let's go to ETF.com. I don't know if it's if it will be working. Yes, I see it working, but I don't. Yes, as you can see here, this is called ETF.com. Okay. And you just search, let's say you put technology and you see how it works. Okay, so you find here information about equity ETFs, technology ETFs here. 181 ETFs with Micron technology, global technology. It means you will find hundreds and thousands of ETFs, and they give you here in ETF university. It means you have education center if you want to study about ETFs, the differences and the other stuff. So it's here you find ETF channels, biotechnology ETFs, bond ETFs, gold ETFs, healthcare ETFs. It means you see whatever healthcare ETFs. Let's see what's going on here. We have so healthcare ETFs invest in the equity of companies from the healthcare industry, like you say, biotechnology, healthcare, pharmaceuticals. So if you want to see, you will find a lot. Okay, you will find a lot, and it will be a lot of stuff if you want to follow them, because these are just companies. Okay, they are just like companies. They go up, they go down. So we find Labu, for example, 3x shares. When you see 3x shares, it means it is doubled 3 times. That's why here the change is so big. Okay, so be careful. For example, this is called ProShares Ultra Healthcare, ProShares Ultra Nasdaq Biotechnology. It means there are a lot, and I don't want to stay with this because it's too much. It's a lot of too much. Okay, and before we stop this, so I want just to tell you one thing about the goal, what we are doing here, the goal of our swing trading. Now, as you might know, we are doing what we call swing trading. Swing trading, or what we call trend followers. And this is where the money is. Okay? So, I will give you an example. The stock market has been going up, and then it stops. I always give you the same thing. Why? Because this is how I trade. Okay? And then we have a downtrend. Then it stops. And then we have an uptrend. Okay? So this is the way the market moves. But we don't know how long this uptrend, for example here. So this uptrend, and then let's say here, we change the color. We say downtrend. Okay. Downtrend. And then here we have uptrend. I can do it with green. Okay. As you can see clearly. Okay. Now, our goal, when the market is doing good, like an uptrend, the whole market is going up. So what is our job? Our job is just to find, as I told you before, we find the leaders. It means the best stocks that move fast. This is what we want. We don't want slow stocks, because the whole market, most of the stocks are moving. But for us, I want the fastest leaders. It means the fastest stocks in the market. How to find them, how to search for them, how to know. This is my strategies. If you are interested, or some of you have already known what I'm talking about, Okay? Sometimes we have a downtrend. A downtrend, you should sell short, you should use options, you should invest ETFs, you should use other stuff. Now, if the market redresses again, we should go and buy the leaders, fastest stocks, and this is for stocks. But if you buy the ETF, most of them are slow compared to stocks. So it is up to you. But it doesn't mean that all the stocks are slow. Some of them, or few of them, are like leaders. They are very fast, because these ETFs, the stocks in them are fast. Sometimes you find ETFs like stocks. Okay? So hope you have understood everything I want to tell right now. So guys, I will refresh the page right now. Maybe I see that the chat is not working because it says unable to connect. Let me say hi and see if it works. So guys, do you see my letters hi in the chat room? If you see hi, it means that the chat room is good. I will not refresh the page, because here for me it says excellent connection. So NASA and the other guys, Top Series and the other guys, do you see my text? If you see my text, please say hi or say yes. If you don't see, it means I should refresh the page. So guys, I'm waiting for you. If you don't see my text, it means on your end you are not enabled to text. So I will do. I waited so long, so I will do a refresh and see. So guys, I do a refresh and I see hi. Guys, do you see my hi text? Oh, okay, you are seeing. Okay guys, I have finished the explanation. So I will go through your what you have written. Please, if you have questions, write them right now. Rahmatullah, he said, hello Kareem, hello Rahmatullah. Dog Lips, hello. NASA, say hello everyone, hello. Pablo said, hi Kareem, thanks again for your patience and helpful advice and tips on how to navigate the market and how it really works. Thank you very much, Pablo. As always. Top Series said, Kareem, maybe 15 minutes video Monday to Friday on the news. So, Top Series, you know, my channel is not about news, because if I say news, it will not help you. Yes, I can explain to you by price. I can explain to you, but I am not going to go online, search for why this stock has a gap up or why this has a gap down. This is not what I am, because you can do it yourself. You don't need me. For example, you see a gap up in a stock. You just go to Google, put the ticker name, and you say the news. The news pop out, and you will find explanation. So, but in terms of trading, this will never help you. The price has already gone into the subject, into the price. If yesterday Facebook has a gap up, and today I tell you, oh, Facebook has a gap up. If you have been in Facebook, you have a gap up, yes, it's good for you. But if you are not, what's the deal? There is no deal. It means you just waste your time reading the news. It's like when you watch TV for entertainment. For me here, I am not doing an entertainment. If I am doing an entertainment, you will find millions of subscribers, and I do funny things, and maybe I am an actor or something like that. But I am sorry, I am not that guy. So for me, I'm trying just to teach my strategies to large population, traders, and investors, and this is what is my goal from this channel. Ruku, hi. Ruku said, what are you think? Oh, okay. What do you think about coronavirus and its impact on the market? Hey, Ruku, we have been speaking this into this month. I think you have not been here. So coronavirus has done a lot to the market. It means, but we are over this coronavirus. It means the bad things. But now we are in the good things about coronavirus, because we have a lot of gap apps, and in my trading account we bought stocks and I give them a list, and they have seen 4 gap apps so far in this 2 weeks or 3 weeks. 4 gap apps that are not earnings. It's related with coronavirus news. So Ruku, I have made a lot of videos about this. And I have my, my trading account in silver subscription or golden subscription. If you want to see what we are doing, what I am saying, and to follow me very well, you should just subscribe. Okay? Ruku said, I follow the PR. I have no idea, Ruku. What is this PR? I have no idea. Please put the explanation or what stands for this PR. I don't understand what is it. Roku said, even second, if good numbers, it will tradable for long time. I don't know what you are talking about. Is it a stock? This PR, is it a stock that you are talking about? Please explain, because I don't understand what you are saying. Oruna Probis, hello, thank you very much for coming. It's a long time you haven't come. Pablo said, golden subscription worth it of a lot of knowledge for a great price you won't get from books or Bloomberg, CNBC. Thank you very much, Pablo, for your testimonial. Thank you very much. Top Series said, besides day trading, swing trading, and long-term investing, what other trading styles do people use? Now, you can use a scalping. Scalping is you buy a lot of shares and you stay few minutes. It's like a day trading, but it is very, very short. So this is the shortest. You can do day trading. It means you day trade stocks or futures or options, or you trade forex, currency pairs, or you trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So if you are a day trader, you can trade a lot of vehicles like this. Some are very, very dangerous. And then you can do, after day trading, you can do swing trading. You stay many days, many weeks, or many months. You can do what we call position trading. You stay for longer because you know some information about the company, or the company is making some stuff, and you have some knowledge about this company, so you buy it and you wait for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years until this thing comes. This is called speculation. Or you can invest for the long run, and this is very known. So this is the most important thing that you can do in the way we trade. Fabian, hello Karim. Sham Bagat, hello Karim. Thank you very much for coming. Top Series said, what broker do you use to execute your order? I use E-Trade, but I didn't choose it. I didn't choose E-Trade. I was with Options House before. That was one of the best broker in America. It was a small, fast execution. They don't charge that much. It was excellent. But E-Trade has bought Options Trader. Options House. You know, big fish eats a small fish. This is Wall Street. Okay? So, I am with E-Trade. Top series, yes, it was working. NASA, yes. Maybe need another refresh. Yes, I do that. Cannot see the FRDM. Thank you very much for coming. So sorry, the first hour it was doing good, but I don't know what happened with the chat. It just it freezes by itself. I don't know what's the problem. That's better.